Yo. Izwi laShembe is currency to most people. Izwi laShembe influences people's bank accounts. Trust me, it does. uShembe mekathi uyangena umtetele ngomhla either 1 January or 1 July. You get the point. Those who are into fashion design, they feel the lows into their bank accounts. They purposefully up their gross margins. I mean, gross profit per item. They purposefully increase their margins and make massive profits. They make massive profits. Imagine if you're into design of Nazareth and uShembe said, uyangena umtetele ngomhla 1 July. And then khona abantu abazobhajadiswa. So mebezobhajadisa labantu, they need to have Nazareth. So if you are selling Nazareth, you get clients ngezwi laShembe. Izwi laShembe bafethu likhulu bafethu. Masuyabuka ukuthi uthi uShembe uyangena umtetele ngomhla 1 July 1 January. People, they purposefully ask for ama-leaves emsebenzini. But drive from all corners of the country and even outside of South Africa by ebuhleni bamaNazareth. On their way to ebuhleni bamaNazareth, before they even embark on the journey, they service their cars. They service their cars. After servicing their cars, they pay fuel. They pay for fuel. After paying for fuel, on their way to ebuhleni bamaNazareth, there is no other way. They have to pay toll gates. So in a way, they contribute towards income, whatever. You get the point of the country. They contribute. Kodwa becontribute ngani ngokulalela izwi laShembe. Mebefika ebuhleni bamaNazareth. On the way they even buy food. But mebefika ebuhleni bamaNazareth, some stay for 1 day, abanye bahlala for the whole month. They have to buy grocery. That means they buy groceries. So that means whoever is owning it ezidayisa ukudla will feel it in their bank accounts ukuthi uShembe uthe uyangena umhlangano. Ngibala nje okuncane aphinde athi uShembe umgido wabantu bonke kusasa. Nomasho nje kanjalo. Wonke umuntu kunendlela ekumele agqoke ngayo. Whoever is into that industry, either udayisa amabhuzu omgido wesikotshi, either udayisa amambatha, either udayisa imvunulo nje lenjobo oyamakhosazana, they will feel izwi laShembe into their bank accounts. Ngoba kushobani izwi likaShembe. Ngibala nje okuncane bafethu. Kungani nabantu lonke ningalibaba zileli gama.